Today in the grain market, let's start with soybeans. It's a little bit mixed and maybe even a little bit lower. Futures did make a new low. It's got everyone kind of, concerned. The bearish sentiment does continue. July hit that new low that equals to how low we were back in September. The market is consolidating, however, and it's not pressing lower where, we're having an all-out collapse, but that's the only good thing to talk about. Still big crops in South America, and it looks like we're going to still have a big crop here in the U.S. As long as this trade deal goes on, it's going to be dragging the market down and just keeping it at least where it is, or it's going to put a lid on any kind of significant rally. Corn was a little bit higher today. It started out firm. It did sell off at the end of the day, but it does confirm that there is a short-term bottom. As long as it stays a little bit higher, let's hope that it continues, because it will definitely starting to break through some of the technical resistance numbers. And if that holds, the objective would actually be right around $4. So would be all smiles if that could actually happen. But it's kind of interesting that at that point would be about the price of where it was back in December. I think that it's really possible we can get back there, but there has to be a couple other things in play. The weather is certainly playing a little bit of havoc on the market, and in the southeast it's definitely warming up, and so it could be very quickly they can get some of this corn in the ground. That could change things a lot. Wheat was also mixed, maybe even a little bit lower as well. The futures are just challenged to keep those prices steady. Every time we get a little bit of a rally, the market gets beat back, and we didn't make a new low, but the bearish feelings are pretty plentiful, and that sentiment is so bearish in the wheat market, and it could possibly be holding all the grains down. We're hoping that maybe demand might start to pick up, and we're going to have that report after the close, and that give us a little bit better idea on what direction it's going to be going tomorrow morning.